The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, west-central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 12:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cherry Valley, or near Loves Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Harvard, Rockford Airport, Roscoe, Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, Capron, Timberlane, Caledonia, and New Milford. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 near mile marker 2, in between mile markers 51 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There's Julia Michaels, who you may be more familiar with than you realize. She's